today's the day, exhaust day. So we're gonna head over to the shop, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna switch the exhaust from 2.5-inch straight pipe right now, from nothing from the motor back, over to 3-inch straight pipe. So let's see how that goes. Ooh, Depo headlights. Let's hear the straight pipe. Oh my God, that is loud as shit. All right guys, so we're pulling up to the exhaust shop right now. Let's see what he got in store for us. All right guys, so we just got to the exhaust shop with the F30. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to give y'all a quick exhaust video so we can see how it sounds beforehand, and then once we're done, we'll go ahead and do a video once we have the 3-inch. So what we're doing is we're going from 2.5-inch straight pipe, nothing from the motor back, to 3-inch straight pipe. So let's see how that sounds. All right guys, so you can see right now, this is what we're working with. We just have 2.5-inch pipe all the way back from the downpipe. You wanna do 3-inch pipe from here back to a Y pipe right around the section here. And we're just gonna use pipe as the tips. We're not gonna actually put in tips, so that's what we're gonna go with. Where are we gonna put the Y pipe?
And then from here back to the axle, just take a Y pipe, straight in here, back to the bumper.
Perfect, perfect. All right guys, so the car's officially dropped off. We're gonna come back in about 3 to 5 hours and we're gonna see how it looks. So wish me luck. We just got back. Guys, it looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing. From the downpipe, we have a 3-inch weld, and then we just do the 3-inch pipe all the way back with no resonator, no muffler, and then we do a Y pipe out the back with tips. And it looks absolutely amazing. Here we go. All right guys, so there you have it. That's the 320i, yes, 320i, 3-inch straight pipe exhaust, nothing from the motor back. It sounds absolutely amazing, guys. I can't even do it justice. If you guys found any value in this video at all, please like, comment, subscribe. You already know that helps the algorithm out. You'll see more content about the F30, and you'll see more content about my car. I actually dropped in a new intake as well, so I'll be walking you guys through that, and I'll show you guys how that sounds, and it sounds incredible, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. All right.